Welcome back to Unwinding Roads. My name is Teddy and that is the Unwinder, my 2022 Jeep Gladiator EcoDiesel. And today we are going to be installing, the VIOFO A139 Pro 2-channel Dashcam. And I'm going to be using it in a little bit different application. I don't really need the Dashcam portion, but what I'm hoping is that it's going to replace my current Dashcam. So currently I'm running two GoPros. I have one facing out, one facing in. And by installing this dash cam, I'll be able to use my GoPro as more of an action camera, which is what I want to do. I'll be able to get better angles and make better videos for you. So please watch this video. I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison. Please let me know in the comments which video you prefer. The video coming off of the GoPro or the video coming off of the VIOFO. On paper, the VIOFO should be the better camera. But first we have to get it installed. So the wiring, VIOFO does send you in the package the DC 12 volt. I'm not going to use that, I'm going to hardwire it in. You can get a hardwire kit, the Dashcam HK3C hardwire kit, which is what I'm going to use. I'm going to wire it up to my VOSwitch switch panel. And thanks to KC250 from KC250, I got this tip where you just take off this and I'll be able to wire it through. There's a gap right here so that you can get the wires from your engine bay into the cab. I'll run it up along the pillar and hopefully everything is super clean and works well. So let's get this thing off, let's get going. The A139 Pro 2-channel is currently VIOFO's flagship dashcam. Featuring Sony's revolutionary 1 1/8 sensor on the front camera, it features true 4K, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi with app connectivity, GPS, a microphone jack, night vision using infrared for the interior camera, in a very compact, clean design. Alright, looks like from the switch panel, straight across, right here, and into here. Let's go. Running the only wire needed was very simple. Once tucked in behind the panels, the wire is completely hidden. Zap strap it there, up through here, shove it in there, and that's that. I'll zap strap all this, I'll put it in here. Ba-boom, ba-boom, collar done. Gotta avoid these holes here. Telephone! Hey, I'm recording, you're live right now.
Oh hey, how's it going?
say hi to the internet. Say hi to the internet. Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Bye, Jojo.
Wires running up through here. It's gonna run up. This is all zap strapped together. This piece is gonna go on there. You will not see the wires. And then it comes out up top there. All right, now before I button it up, I'm actually gonna wire it in and test it out, and then I'll button it up. Alright, I plugged in the front camera. Real simple, it's just simple plugs, just plug it right in. And let's plug it into there and see what we got. Using VIOFO's app and the camera's Wi-Fi, I used the real-time view to place both cameras exactly where I wanted them. I was left with a very clean, high-quality camera that doesn't block my view and should provide a much cleaner, more polished look for videos. Hey, look at that, it's always recording, so I'll always be able to get the Jeep Wave. On my screen, it looks like the front camera looks pretty good. It's the interior camera that doesn't look very good at all. My shirt was glowing purple for some reason. So I reached out to VIOFO and I let them know about the purple, and it's something very simple. This particular camera uses infrared, and what's happening is it's picking up the UV light. So as you can see, I look fine now, but what was happening is in the video I had my windows down and the UV light would come in. So for example, if I open the door, I probably am starting to look kind of purple. I'm sure the seatbelt here would look a little bit purple if the sunlight is hitting it. So the fix for it is to either get like a UV film for the camera, or just leave my windows up. The reason why I had my windows down is I was testing the audio, and the audio is pretty good with the windows down. So I'm sure it's a lot better with the windows up, especially when I'm moving on the dirt road. So I'll probably have the windows up anyway. But anyways, I just wanted to explain it. It's not the camera's fault. Back to our video. Except you're gonna have to still see me in purple. The purple people eater. So far as workflow, it's very similar to the GoPro. I can just shut off the recording and start a new recording, and if it's me doing an obstacle or something, I'll be able to save that recording, or lock it, I guess is how they call it. And so the workflow so far is great. Now I'm on a dirt road. I purposely did not air down or change my shock setup, and so it's on the stiffest possible. I want to see how the rattling affects the camera. That is one thing that GoPro does very well, is the stabilization. So we'll see. But I'll get the GoPro going. You guys tell me what you think looks better. Alright, now both of these images that you're seeing right now are color graded. Alright, I'm going to try to get the best quality I can out of both of these cameras. I'm by no means a great color grader or anything like that, but I'm doing the best.
Video protected.
I'm doing the best with my current skill level. It is nice that this camera also can come with a ND filter, which I am using. Alright, I'm just gonna drive straight up this thing. I probably shouldn't do this, but I just want to see what happens. Alright, I'm just gonna drive straight up this thing. I probably shouldn't do this, but I just want to see what happens. Cool. Alright, I'm just gonna drive straight up this thing. I probably shouldn't do this, but I just want to see what happens. Cool. So this is pretty cool. It's got like night vision. So I'm driving at night, and this is what it looks like. Let's take a look at what it looks like with no night vision. Well, you can see that it makes quite a difference. Maybe if I turn this stuff on. There you go. Now you can see me a bit better. I mean, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like the night vision better, or do you like it like this with the lights on? Yeah, you guys tell me. We're actually heading back to the dirt road. I figured this is a perfect opportunity for me to finalize my light settings and test the lights out as well. So we're going to see what this camera can do at night. Apparently it does really well at night, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. Man, these are nice. I can definitely see on the sides of the road, which is what I was hoping for. I'd say the driver's side needs to come down a little bit. Alright. And so that's it. please do put in the comments which you prefer more, the GoPro or the VIOFO. Obviously the interior camera, I'm not gonna be using that purple footage, so I'm hoping that gets fixed. Audio seemed okay to me. Let me know if you like the night vision one or the other version better. I actually think I prefer the other version better. Just let me know these things in the comments, please. And make sure you subscribe, because next up, we're getting ready for a huge trip, a 1 week long trip. We gotta get the unwinder ready. We're gonna throw in some rock lights, and I can't wait to show you what's gonna go back here. It's a rack, and I can't wait to show you which one and how I'm gonna be setting it up. So lots more coming. Stay tuned, subscribe. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.